Welcome. Today we're diving into STEM education. That's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We'll explore how these fields connect, why they matter, and how learning in these areas shapes the future. Let's get started with an overview that sets the stage for everything to come. Let's start by unpacking what STEM education really means. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. But it's more than just four subjects. It's about blending them together in a way that mirrors real life. The goal here is to teach students how to solve problems by connecting ideas across these fields. Ultimately, STEM prepares us for a world that's changing fast, where technology and innovation are everywhere. It's about getting ready for the future today. Today, we're focusing on why STEM education matters so much. STEM fields, science, technology, engineering, and math, are the engines behind innovation and economic growth worldwide. The demand for skilled professionals in these areas keeps rising. Beyond jobs, STEM teaches us critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. And on a bigger scale, countries with strong STEM education systems hold a competitive edge in the global marketplace. This is why investing in STEM is investing in our future. STEM education is built on four key components that work together to prepare us for the challenges ahead. Science helps us understand the natural world through observation, experimentation, and careful analysis of data. Technology focuses on creating and using tools, systems, and innovations that make life better. Engineering takes those ideas and turns them into practical solutions by designing and building. And mathematics gives us the language and logic to interpret data, create models, and make sense of complex systems. Together, these fields form the foundation of STEM. STEM education is all about breaking down walls between subjects. It encourages us to connect different fields, science, technology, engineering, and math, to see the bigger picture. We learn best by doing, so hands-on projects are key. Experiments, prototypes, real-world challenges, they bring theory to life. And it's not a solo journey. Collaboration is essential. Working together, sharing ideas, solving problems as a team, that's the heart of modern STEM learning. STEM education offers some powerful benefits. First, it builds strong problem-solving skills, helping students tackle complex challenges with confidence. It also teaches adaptability, a must in our fast-changing technological world. Beyond that, STEM sparks creativity and innovation, driving solutions for big global issues like climate change and healthcare. And let's not forget, it opens doors to well-paying, in-demand careers. In short, STEM prepares us for the future, both personally and professionally. When we look at STEM education, there are some clear challenges we need to face. First, gender disparity. Women and minorities are still underrepresented in these fields. Then, access to resources. Not every student gets the same chance to learn quality STEM. And finally, teacher training. Many educators lack the support and development they need to teach STEM effectively. These obstacles shape the way we approach the future of STEM learning. Let's explore some key strategies for boosting STEM education. First, incorporating technology in the classroom means using digital tools and platforms to make learning more engaging and effective. Next, STEM partnerships connect schools with industries and universities, giving students real-world experience. Inclusive practices ensure everyone has equal opportunities, especially encouraging underrepresented groups to get involved. Finally, project-based learning puts creativity and problem-solving front and center through hands-on projects that really bring concepts to life. Around the world, different countries are taking unique approaches to boost STEM education. In the USA, the STEM Education Act backs programs aimed at K-12 students, laying a strong foundation early on. China is pouring significant resources into STEM education and workforce training, gearing up for the future. Meanwhile, Finland stands out with a system that blends creativity and inquiry-based learning, making STEM both rigorous and engaging. These examples show how diverse strategies can fuel innovation globally. As we look ahead, STEM education is evolving fast. Emerging technologies like AI, robotics, and big data mean we have to keep adapting what and how we teach. At the same time, global collaboration is becoming the norm, researchers and educators working across borders to push knowledge further. And perhaps most importantly, STEM is key to solving the big challenges of our time, especially when it comes to sustainability. The future of STEM is about innovation, connection, and responsibility. To wrap up, STEM education is essential for readying future generations to thrive in a fast-changing, tech-driven world. We all have a role to play in supporting and expanding these programs at every level. By doing so, we help build a workforce that's not just skilled, but truly innovative. Let's make that future possible.